on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies rolling, right. Don't try to understand them. Just roll through and run them. Soon we'll be riding high and wide. Ride. That's what I get for not using a saddle the last 3 days.
Do you guys dread this experience, or do you look forward to it as a unique challenge?
That's a good question. I sort of dread it. And not the danger in it, it's just the coordination of everything going on. This is a long 5 or 6 blocks that we head down there with the captain. So we're always hoping that things will go right. It's getting easier and easier. But remember, when you start relaxing around livestock, that's when the wrecks happen. So you always have got to be on guard.
What is the most difficult aspects of it?
Getting those steers from this point to the fairgrounds.
What makes that hard?
Well, they don't know where they're going, and if they see an opening somewhere, they're going to take it, and if it's the wrong opening, they're going the wrong direction. I think I'm more skittish than they are. These cattle have been around people most of their lives, and in doing so, they're pretty much relaxed. But nobody gave them a map to show them which way the fairgrounds is.
That's what you guys are there for, right?
That's right.
Well, that's what
so we just hope they follow the yellow brick road.